Alright guys, welcome to the channel. We're looking at the Yamaha TTR50 little dirt bike. These two here are 2018s. We also have a 2020 and a 21 we're going to look at and ride around the neighborhood. This is a great kids bike. Even for older kids, it's great. My son who's 6 rides this, and then also, you know, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13-year-old kids can ride these around. Even as an adult, I can ride this around. It's got a 3-speed transmission. Shifts here, it's auto clutch, so there's no shift, no clutch, just 3 gears. They're all shifting up for those. Simple operation, simple maintenance too. They're just carbureted, air cooled, so you know they're 4-stroke engines, so they're easy to use, easy to maintain. Change the oil fill there, spark plug, and then the air filters on the other side. Those are really the main things, just to keep changed and keep up on the maintenance. There's a battery that can go out on it. The battery is probably the biggest challenge with that. Just want to keep it off when you're not using it. All right, we'll get the kids out here and we'll get them on here so you can kind of see what size kids fit on these, and then we'll ride them around the neighborhood. So we have, how old are you, Taylor? You're 10? Okay, go sit on one. So even a 10-year-old fits pretty good on these. We've got Blake here, who's 11. Blake, let's see how you fit on them. All right, we got Blake. So even if you're a bigger kid, they're still pretty fun to ride around on, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, these guys are gonna get on these bikes and ride around the neighborhood. All right, so we got a 13-year-old, 11-year-old, 10 and 11. All right, guys. All right, sweet riding, man. Okay, here's a 6-year-old on the bike. He can pretty much almost put his feet down. Let's see, take it off the kickstand, see if you can stand up with it, Zane. Yeah, he's kind of on his tiptoes, but probably a little bit better than the PW. We had the PW50, and that became a little small, huh, Zane? This one's a good size. Yeah, these shifters can break too. So, see here, the shifter breaks, or this is actually after a few crashes, that's kind of just got turned up on us. But controls on this is pretty simple. The gas on. That's off. Where this is pointed is where it's at. So we got off, the reserve. So we usually turn them off and let it run out of fuel so the carburetor doesn't get gummed up on them. And then these don't have a kick start, they just have electric start. So here's the kill switch here. So that's on. Key, they are keys, so you can hide the key from the kids so they can't take them out. On. And then just push button here. They have to be in neutral in order to push start them. So Neutral's all the way down. You can see here. Neutral, 1, 2, 3. Neutral, first, second, third. So just a 3-speed. So it's got to. So we have to push it down into neutral. All right, push the button. Let's start it up. Can you push the button? Once they're warm, they start up pretty easy. 2 of these that we just picked up, we have to clean. All right, let's kill it. And then to kill it, you can either turn it off, or you can just push the kill switch right there. That's the kill switch. So you also want to leave it off when you're not using it, because otherwise it's going to drain the battery. There'll be a small draw on the battery if it's left on. Fuel tank here. Fuel tank's pretty, but it's less than a gallon of fuel, but it can last all day. All right, sometimes on these bikes the battery goes out on them actually pretty easily. So if you just put it in neutral, run with it, kick it up into first, and then it'll just turn over. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna do some more riding on these with these bikes, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.